Hello, my name is Gavin Kinder, and for my honors project, I will be showcasing a React app of an artist's website. So rendered here, we have the artist's website coming up on the home page, where we have a logo, an introduction paragraph here, and featured art for users to sample before they go to the actual gallery page. So you can see here and down here, we have a couple of links that are sort of jumping across the navigation without actually being part of the navigation tab. Just for context of what they're engaging with, we have a footer down here with navigation and some links to the artist's social media, as well as you see this logo here reacting and shrinking, we have an Easter egg of the artist's cats. Moving on to the About tab, we have a bio of the artist, where the artist will populate their details that they want users to see and know. We have a CV tab of the artist's resume, which the artist will eventually populate with their works. And here, under the Art tab, we have the gallery, which draws up a bunch of thumbnail images using a filter built into the little tab panel on the side here. So what this does is that this will interact with the array of thumbnails to see what kind of media type that they are. And so the way that that's set up is that there is an object array that has a media property that contains a string that describes whether it's a digital painting, an acrylic, a tattoo, or a doodle. And so we see that all filtered here and redrawn with the state. Upon clicking this, you get a nice detail page that is automatically populated with the thumbnail image, the name, and the description of the artwork. On clicking on the thumbnail here, you get the full-size image. Backing up and going on to the contact page, we have a form here with validation attached. So as you see me interacting with it, it'll want things added. If I go ahead and start interacting with it, then we get the validation responding to it, asking for parameters to be met. So the greatest challenge with this was actually getting that media filter to work. So here we have the older way of importing the arrays of objects for the display. This has not been updated yet due to the combined nature of the kinds of images that are being displayed, the full size and the thumbnails. But before deployment, this will be converted so that it will work a little bit more smoothly and incorporate loading and error components to make sure that we are properly able to see what is happening visually, if there is a problem or if it is loading just fine. So down here we have the select all gallery, which will just populate the whole screen if that's what we need it to do. But the media filter right now will take a prop called media and then check what the string is. And if it is all, it'll return the entire gallery. Otherwise, it'll filter out the artwork that have the string that matches the type of media that's being passed to it. So we'll pop over to the art page really quick. We'll see that there is a use state right here that initializes to all. And then each of these nav links here, which are the tabs on the art page, will then do a state change over here by using a setter function to change the state width to a new string for the media type. So getting that to push all the way down through, so that here we have the gallery list. We follow this even further. Takes this, uses a select gallery by media, and then it'll use the map method to take the art that comes back from the gallery and then populate it into the cards here. And so getting that to work right, getting that to work smoothly, and then operating with two different arrays of images was the greatest challenge in this project. But I am looking forward to seeing what else can happen with this, including integrating a Shopify store. Thank you for viewing my project, and I hope that hope you like it.